Welcome to eSafeDoc. On this login page, you simply enter the credentials securely set up by Kujur Consulting for your primary admin authority. The initial setup can also be changed. From there, admin has the right to let other users join the system. From your first login, you must give the consent by checking the box of the legal notice to acknowledge our zero-knowledge architecture. Without it, you cannot enter. Once inside, this central bar chart instantly explains your daily system usage and consumption of subscription provision. This central bar chart acts as your live usage report. It is fully interactive. You can immediately see the exact number of document wrappers created, the total files stored, and the precise volume of encrypted data processed during that cycle. The interface is designed for user comfort, offering 3 distinct visual themes that can be changed at any time to suit your institution's convenience. The idle timeout is 30 minutes but can be easily reduced to fit your specific operational policies. But before you start using the system, you need to set up your metadata for your organization in Meta Information Manager component. You can create departments for establish your structural boundaries. Similarly, you define authority levels under designations. You can create document types to categorize your assets. You can define locations for your physical file to bridge the digital and physical worlds. You can define document safe to create and manage document safe. Similarly, you can define document cell to create and manage document cell. You can create email subjects or use predefined ones to securely broadcast the email in your organization. Here, you establish the exact compliance declarations that users are required to accept when sending mails. Here, admins have power to change the idle inactivity timeout, disable capture and change the audit trail purge duration. In Access Group component, you can define access groups, associate members to it, and they are entitled to access the vault. Here you can control members to access groups according to their designation, department, and authority. In the User Manager component, you can create members with read access, write access, operator, or admin. In Search component, you can search for existing members and change the data parameters if needed. Let's look at real-time admin control in the User Manager. Under Active Sessions, administrators maintain complete oversight. If required, an admin has the authority to forcefully log out a specific individual, or securely log out all active members simultaneously. Now, let's initiate your journey by creating a new document wrapper. Like by just looking at 5-star chocolate wrapper, you know it is 5-star. Similarly, by looking at a document wrapper, you will know what the document is all about. You have to enter basic information like document date, document type, document title, document sensitivity, document keyword, and member ID, and this forms the document wrapper. It's the birth of a secure, sovereign vault for your data. This architecture seamlessly protects your legacy archives while securing your future digital assets. Every major action requires capture. However, eSafeDoc is fully adaptable. Admins have the facility to disable this entirely for your organization. Let's dive into the structure of the wrapper. This is the date of the document, the ID of the document, the volume, the writer ID, the type, the sensitivity, the department, the designation, Here LNO indicates that no physical location defined for this wrapper. Once the wrapper is created, it will be in inactive state. So we simply define the location. Now you can see that the wrapper is in active state. And the location is also defined. This is the update component where you can change any parameter of your documents. All the changes will be recorded under audit trail. In the access group component, you can implement granular, need to know, security. If you're creating document confidential, the confidential access group will be automatically tagged because that is predefined set of people associated with the confidential team. You can easily tag specific access groups according to your institution's convenience. In the recipient component, you can easily associate single person. A person who is not in the group but still can be associated. This provides you with absolute control, ensuring your data is accessed only by the right hands. In the allocate component, you can allocate your physical files. Enter the member ID and the date and it will allocate it to particular person and the action will be recorded under the audit trail. You can also track your document wrappers. This immediately creates a full chain of custody, so you see exactly where it has been and who has held it. You can also release by simply putting the release date and the document will be released. Once the wrapper is released, it is available for allocation. In the cloud upload component, you can then securely deploy your files to the cloud using a client-side encryption facility. This is a provision of zero knowledge. When selecting a file for upload, simply ensure the file size aligns with your current subscription limits. If you want to enhance your subscription limits, you can update to higher tier plans. There is a provision to preview the document before uploading. You can decide different encryption key for your files. The maintenance of the encryption key might become tedious task, since it is client-side encryption, so best practice to standardize encryption keys. Because eSafeDoc operates on a strict zero-knowledge architecture, it is entirely the client's responsibility to maintain a secure record of these keys. We and our service provider cannot see or recover them for you. For the uploaded files, eSafeDoc allows you to notify designated users instantly once without ever attaching the file to an email. This is a provision to restrict email attachments by using the facility by using access by reference. When you notify a member, the system sends them a secure alert, requesting them to log in and access the file directly from the vault. Thus your data never leaves its hardened environment, eliminating attachment risks entirely. There is a provision to preview the document before downloading. If it is encrypted, you must need the encryption key to decrypt the file. Without that, you cannot download the file. There is a provision to preview the document before deleting also. You can delete your files if it's not needed. Here you can also download the barcode if the physical location is defined. You simply have to download the barcode and paste it on the physical file. This reduces the access of document wrapper and leads to physical-digital synchronicity. The barcode can be deleted if it is not required. Select Yes from drop-down menu and enter the CAPTCHA. As your data grows, eSafeDoc has a provision to scale it. To add additional volume, you need to select Yes from drop-down menu and enter the CAPTCHA. Our additional volume feature lets you stack related wrappers into a unified set, fulfilling our generation-to-generation data philosophy. As you can see here, Volume 2 is created. All the changes will be recorded under audit trial. The document wrapper can be deleted if it is not needed. Give the confirmation by choosing Yes from drop-down menu and enter the CAPTCHA. When it comes to compliance and streamlines, we utilize our audit trail purge component. In the wrapper history, you will get all the details. Every single action taken inside the vault is permanently recorded and displayed in reverse chronological order. As you can see, the latest changes in the wrapper, which is Volume 2 created. The barcode created. The email notification executed. The file uploaded. The released document and so on. With what action has been performed, who performed the action and when the action performed. At the end of the history, you will see when wrapper created. Now, let's look at how effortlessly we retrieve them in search component. We have multi-criteria search. Let's filter by document date or document year to see the wrapper we just created. By simply filtering, you can pinpoint a single piece of information or retrieve an entire associated set of wrappers in seconds. Here you will see the document wrappers with different volumes. Here you will get the enhanced button. Exists in the volume indicates that the next additional volumes already created and successfully stacked. You can create another volume by clicking plus button. The document date automatically locks to the exact timestamp of that action, guaranteeing forensic accuracy. All the changes will be recorded under audit trail. You can change the metadata for each volume. Here you can see that the document type and document sensitivity has changed. Let's upload the file without the encryption key. Here NOA indicates that normal file is uploaded. Here you can see that all the volumes of the wrapper are stacked together. In the scan component, you can also search for the barcode number and you will get the exact wrapper details in just one click. Finally, I want to highlight the deleted wrapper chronicle. In eSafeDoc, transparency is absolute. If you ever delete a wrapper, it doesn't just vanish. It is permanently retained right here in the chronicle. So even if a file is deleted from the active vault, its complete historical record is always available for auditing and security purposes. In the purge component, you can purge audit trails records more than 2 years old. In user manual, users can instantly access detailed, step-by-step documentation for every single component and workflow in the system. For immediate problem solving, we also built an extensive Have a Query database. We proactively anticipated our clients' needs by compiling a robust library of over 150 specific technical doubts and frequently asked questions. Finally, because we operate in high security environments, we maintain absolute legal transparency through our dedicated disclaimer section. Here we have given our contacts details and email ID. If you have any doubts or queries, you can reach out to us. Finally, looking at the top right of our newly streamlined interface, you will find our secure exit icons. Admins have the power to execute a standard logout. Or, in the event of a severe threat, use the shutdown icon to instantly freeze the entire sanctuary. This is our official portal that is architecturally hardened through our innovative, Bury, Endig, technology to achieve discipline, security, and respect across generations. These are the plans we offer that is built on a globally accessible PPP model, ensuring your sovereign data remains yours forever. We are proud to share this feedback from our users, validating our commitment to absolute data sovereignty.